Hello everyone, welcome to CyberMX. In this video, we are going to see how we can convert the interface of Kali Linux from GUI, that is graphical user interface, to CLI, which is known as command line interface. And then we will reverse it to convert it back to GUI.
Currently, when we start our Kali machine, we know that it always starts in the graphical mode. But let's suppose you don't want the graphical access on the Linux machine, on your Kali machine, and you want to boot it into a CLI based machine. So you can simply do that by running a command that will convert the graphical interface into the CLI interface. So this command again we have to run as a root user, or you can use sudo and then the command if you're not running it as a root user. So let's understand this command. So I'll just mention it as systemctl followed by set-default, then followed by multi-user.target. So if you run this command, this will basically convert your CLI mode, graphical mode to CLI mode. I'll show you how. You can just close this and you can just come here and try to shut down your machine. So for now, I have shut down my machine. I'll again go back here and try to start it. So let's wait for a few seconds until this machine starts. And here you can see that your machine has been started and it's asking for the login. So let's provide the username as root and let's provide the password of my username root. And then you can see that your machine is now loaded in the CLI interface. You can run whatever command you want to run, ls, pwd, cd, or whatever command you want to run. And now your machine will be running in the CLI interface, not the graphical one. But if you want to convert it back to the graphical interface, then again, as a root user, you can run this command, which is systemctl set default, and this time make sure you provide graphical.target. So this command will again change your CLI mode to the graphical mode. After running this command, you can reboot your system by running the reboot command, and again your system will reboot, and once it reboots, then again you will find that this time your machine is running in the graphical interface. So let's wait for a few more seconds to see how a machine boots this time. And as you can see that your again machine has been booted in the graphical interface using that command.
If you want to join the live practical focus training on Kali Linux, then you can contact us on the number shown on the screen.